At ClickTrack Marketing, we understand that digital marketing is challenging, but nowadays, business begins online and you just have to be there. Do you want to show up more often in the search and map results and generate more new customers every day? In order to grow your business, you need to start investing in digital marketing strategies that actually work without breaking the bank. People are already searching for similar products and services online, and your business just needs to be there when they do. The problem is that most small business owners don't know where to start or whom to trust, and that makes you feel lost. We believe that all small businesses, local and/or service-based, should have access to the marketing strategies used by experts. That's exactly why I wrote the book called Raising the Digital Bar for Small Businesses, after working at Google for over 3 years, helping hundreds of businesses scale their operations. Raising the Digital Bar teaches business owners how to generate new customers every day and get found online. This book breaks down marketing tactics I learned working at Google into bite-sized, actionable steps. When you're ready to start growing your business, you should definitely consider reading this book. Here's what I'm going to do. Since I want to get this in the hands of as many business owners as possible, I'm going to actually give away the book for free, and you're just going to take care of shipping and handling. So go ahead and click the link below, enter your information, and I'll ship this book out as soon as possible. I thank you for your support, and I know that you're going to gain tons of value from this, and I can't wait to hear from you soon.